Hi beautiful people, welcome to another tutorial. So guys, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to dread permed hair, like how to start from the beginning. Can you see guys? So for you to see the beginning of how I'm doing this particular locks, stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely tutorial. So guys, for my returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if you're just watching any of my video for the first time, don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing you need to do, you wash the hair very well. So while you're trying to lock natural dread, you don't need to condition the hair. You just use your shampoo to wash it. So after that, you begin to work on it. As you can see guys, so this particular hair that I'm locking is a permed hair, and my client actually wants to cut it. That I just told her not to cut it, that there is a way I'll do it. So now I want to share with you guys, if you have a client that has a permed hair, instead of them cutting it, this is another method you can use for them. And some people also believe that you can only lock natural hair, or you cut the hair, or you whatsoever. But this particular one, as you all see, as you can see, right, this one is permed hair. So what I'm just doing here is I'm trimming the perm one away. Can you see? So I'm using box braid cutting, box cutting, like box method. Can you see guys? So after cutting it, I begin to dread the hair. So first thing I did, I use my crochet pin to interlock the root. Then I use this particular one to lock the body as well. Just pay attention, watch from the beginning, and you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Can you see guys? So after that, I just use my hand to lock it well, and then I trim the excess one away because I want it to look natural. Can you see guys? So you, after cutting it, you use your comb to comb it well. Then you use this your take comb, you use it to brush it down just to remove the permed one away and to make the down sticky, like to make it bulky for you to work on. Can you see guys? So as you are doing that, you use your scissors to trim it out. I mean the permed one. Can you see? So after that, you just, can you see? Then use your wax to smoothen the roots before you begin to lock the down. Can you see guys? Please let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family, leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget guys, if you have any tutorial in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. I'm so sorry guys, I've not been able to upload for a while. Like, I've been so busy in my store. That's the reason why I keep uploading shorts, just to keep my page busy. Can you see guys? So anytime I upload full tutorial, please, you guys shouldn't be angry with me. That's what I'm saying. I'm so sorry for not being uploading the way I used to do before. Like, I'm so busy. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely tutorial. Can you see guys? So I'm using box cutting. Like, I'm almost done. This particular one, I'm almost done. Can you see guys? So just pay attention, watch from the beginning to the end. You'll see the outcome. Can you see? Just take your time. So this process is just to remove the permed one away. So as you're doing it, you use your scissors to trim it out. Then you continue again. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going. Just take your time. Can you see? So now this one that you're seeing now is a full natural hair. It's not permed hair again. Then use your hand to lock it first before you use your crochet pin. Can you see? You lock it till the root is tight. Can you see, guys? So after that, now you begin to work on the body. Can you see? You still use your comb to comb it out to remove the permed one away, so that you'll be able to lock the body perfectly the way you want it. So this is me now trying to lock the body. Can you see? As you're locking it, you're using your hand to roll it so that we easily lock the way you want it. Can you see? Like the body is fully locked. And this method is just one time locked. It's just something you lock once. It's not as if you ask the client to come back tomorrow, next week to come and relock, relock, relock. This particular one is just one time lock, the way I did it. Can you see, guys? So now I'm done with this particular locking. So now I want to use spray gel just to hold it well. So you just put small spray gel to hold the body. So after that, I try to arrange it well. Then I apply my hair mousse. You all know what hair mousse does to the locks. So I apply my hair mousse. Can you see, guys? So after applying, then I go ahead and style the hair. So before you style, you use your hand to lock it well. Then you arrange it. Can you see? And that's what I'm doing here. So after that, the locking, I'll just go ahead and begin to style the hair. It's not a must you style it, but if your client wants it, you can definitely do that. So this is me trying to style the hair. Can you see, guys? So we're just trying in, you're just styling in simple styling. It's not as if we are doing one paparazzi styling. So because this is our first time of dreading our hair, so we are just trying to secure it to make it look more beautiful. Can you see, guys? So that's how we keep going with this lovely tutorial. So guys, I'm done. This is the final look of this hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you.